The Hbdrf Border Dispute Redressal Forum, Hbdrf, said it would soon write to the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission with regard to the plight of the Khasi-Pnar residing in Block 1. This was informed by Chairman of Hbdrf, Sungo, who alleged that both state governments have not been paying any heed to the border dispute, especially when it comes to this issue. Speaking to media person, Sungo said that the Khasi-Pnar living in Block 1 and Khanduli West Jaintia Hills are still facing the atrocities from the Karbi community, especially when the KAAC started to erect a check gate at Khanduli West Jaintia Hills.
Kecil mujur, banikan suai bersiar Khanduli, jadi temu baik banikan bagi sendon. Tapi hadir nantang ayo sengaja apa ni kerja cuma komiti pan, bertemu sorkar, kebab keliru deputi chief besar jemi masnya walanghar, ombak banikan suai Khanduli bagi agak bersiar sendon. Di ketu kumba chief besar lakukan ini yang kebab aterik, di ketu yang kerja cuma komiti ba kinle bekti kumba chief minister wakula hike onde ban bi kran chwa ya tan Khanduli berada kapsia hadir nose di kran pada keluar sorkar amle post ruski di ban seban ana di project human rights commission
Jowai MLA Wailat Miki Shila recently